This is sample question paper of Mathematics Basic, class 10th, term 2 examination. Okay, time allotted is 2 hours and maximum marks are 14. In this question paper, there are 14 questions and 3 sections, section A, B and C. All the questions are compulsory here. Now section A has 6 questions of 2 marks each. An internal choice has been provided in 2 questions. Section B has 4 questions of 3 marks each. Internal choice has been provided in 1 question. Section C has 4 questions of 4 marks each. An internal choice has been provided in 1 question. And in this section only there are 2 case study based questions. Right? This is the pattern of the question paper. Let us see the first section, which is section A. First question, find the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. Now roots, we can find it out by splitting the middle term or by using the formula also. Okay, so see here, I'll write down the equation here. 3x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this minus 6 and this 3, if I'll do the product, it comes as minus 18 and the sum is minus 7. I need to find out 2 numbers whose product is minus 18 and whose sum is minus 7. So it is 9 2s are, but minus 9 plus 2. If I do, I get addition as minus 7 and I get product as minus 18. Correct? So here I'll write down 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. From these 2 terms, I will take 3x as common. So x minus 3. From these 2 terms, I will take 2 common. So here x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So x minus 3 in one bracket and these remaining things will be in the another bracket. Correct here? Now, I'll compare each bracket with 0 or 3x plus 2 which is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 or 3x which is equal to minus 2. So x comes as minus 2 by 3. Therefore, we get 2 roots of this equation. This one and this one. Right? Let us see the second question. Okay, second question they have given as the option for the first one. Right? Find the value of k for which the quadratic equation has real and equal roots. So they have given us the quadratic equation as 3x square plus kx plus 3 which is equal to 0. Now here value of a is 3. A means what? Coefficient of x square. B is k, coefficient of x, and c which is equal to 3 which is the constant. Now as they said, this equation has real and equal roots. So whenever this is the condition here, real and equal roots, we'll write down d which is equal to 0. D means what? Discriminant. So formula for that is b square minus 4 ac which is equal to 0. We will just substitute the value. Here b means k. So k square minus 4, value of a is 3, c is also 3 which is equal to 0. So k square minus 4 9s are 36 here, 0. Here we'll write down k minus 6 because a square minus b square. So b is what? 36. 36 means what? 6 square. Correct? So here and k plus 6 which is equal to 0. So k minus 6 equal to 0 or k plus 6 equal to 0. So finally we get the value k which is equal to 6 or k which is equal to minus 6. So we got the value of k. Correct? Let us see the next one. 3 cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end to form a cuboid. Find the total surface area of the cuboid so formed. Right? So the volume of one cube they have given us 64 centimeter. Let us do the figure. Here, see here, a cube is there whose volume is given as 64 centimeter cube. So here volume is 64 centimeter cube, correct? So here I can write down volume of cube, which is equal to 64 centimeter cube. So formula is what? Side cube, right? That means a cube. Let us consider side of the cube as a. Here we can mention side of the cube as a, which is equal to 64. Take the cube root of both the sides here. A, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Now just see here, when we have joined these three cubes, we get a cuboid, correct? As we got the cuboid, so length of the cuboid became what? 4. This is 4, 4 and 4. So length became 12, right? So first what we will write down? When we join three cubes, we get a cuboid. And then we will write down this L, which is equal to 12 centimeter. B will be as it is, right? This breadth as it is 4 centimeter, and even the height is same, which is 4 centimeter. Only what is changed? Length. Now they are asking us the total surface area of the cuboid. So we'll use the formula TSA of cuboid, which is equal to, the formula is what? 2 times LB, BH and HL. We'll just substitute the value here. This formula you should know. 2 times L is 12 into 4. 4 into 4 plus 4 into 12. So 2 times here, 12 4s are 48. This is 16. This is once again 48 here. We'll just do the addition. So 2, 48, 48, 96. 96. This is 112. So 224 centimeter square, because it is the surface area, total surface area. So unit will be centimeter square. Right? So we got the total surface area of a cuboid. Let us see the next one. An inter-house cricket match was organized by a school. Distribution of runs made by the students is given below. Find the median runs scored. See, in the first column, they have given you the class intervals, and second column, number of batsmen. From this data, we'll find out the median. Let us see now. For the median, cumulative frequency is important. So third column supposed to be that one. I have written in short CF. It means that cumulative frequency. Okay. Number of batsmen means what? F, frequency. So this one will be Fi. Now cumulative frequency, how to write down? This first 4 will be as it is here. Now 4 plus 6, it means that 10. Then 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Correct? So this way we write down the cumulative frequency. You should know how to write down. Okay? So here 22 came. Total number of batsmen are 22. So n by 2, which is equal to 22 by 2, which comes as 11. Now what I need to find out? In which class interval this 11th observation is coming? Till this one 10 observations are there. 11th number observation will go into this class interval. Right? So this is the median class. So here I'll write down median class, which is equal to 40 to 60. So lower limit of this class is 40, and class size is nothing but what? Upper limit minus the lower limit. 60 minus 40 will be 20. Now frequency of this class. This is the frequency of this class. So f, which is equal to 5. And cumulative frequency of the previous class. So this is the cumulative frequency of the previous class interval of the median class. So this is CF, which is equal to 10. We got all the values now. We'll just use the formula. The formula for the median is here median, which is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So L is what here? L is 40, N by 2, which is 11 here, minus CF is 10, frequency is 5, this one is 5 and this is 20. 5 ones are 5 fours are, which is equal to 40 plus 11 minus this 10 is 1. So 1 into 4. So we got the answer as 40 plus 4 is 44. So median of the data is 44 runs. Correct? Here we'll write down runs. Let us see question number 4. Find the common difference of the AP. Here AP is given. If the first term changes to 6 and the common difference remains the same, then write down new AP. So first we'll write down this AP here. AP 4, 9, 14 and so on. Look at this one. If I want to find out the common difference, second term minus the first term. So 9 minus 4, which comes as 5. Now they said if the first term changes to 6, so I need to write down new AP. So here I'll write down for new AP, first term is 6 now. And the common difference remains same. So this is common difference. So I need to find out the AP. So how I'll write down AP here? AP is first term is 6. To get the second term, so formula is what? A plus D. So A is what? 6 and D is 5. So 6 plus 5, which comes as 11. So second term is 11. Third term A plus 2D. So A is 6, 2 times D. That means 2 times 5, it will come as 10. So the answer will come as 16 and so on. So this is our new AP. Correct? This one is our new AP. Let us go towards the another sum. See, question number 5. The mode of the following frequency distribution is 38. Find the value of X. This value we need to find out. Class intervals and frequency is given. Here, first column, second column same. They have given you the mode. So I will write down first mode, which is equal to 38. Now you need to see in which class interval this 38 comes. It will come here. So this one is the modal class. So let me write down here modal class, which is 30 to 40. It means that the lower limit is 30 and H, that is the class width. That means upper limit minus the lower limit. 40 minus 30 will come as 10. And this frequency is called as F1, frequency of the modal class. This frequency is F0, frequency of the previous class of the modal class. And this frequency is F2. Correct? Now we have all the values here. We'll just write down the formula for mode. So here mode, which is equal to L plus F1 minus F0. Here 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let us substitute the values here. Mode is given as 38, which is equal to 30 plus F1 is 16 minus F0 is 12 divided by 2 times F1. That means 2 times 16 minus F0 is 12 minus F2 is X into 10. Correct? Now this 30 will send to the left hand side. So here I'll just shift this side. 38 minus 30, which is equal to, now this is 4 here, 16 2s are 32, minus 12 minus x into 10. See, 38 minus 30 is 8, which is equal to here 4 divided by, subtraction of this two number comes as 20 minus x into 10. So this 20 minus x, once again I'll send it to the left hand side. So 8 into 20 minus x, 4 tens are 40. So this is 160 minus 8x, which is equal to 40. So minus 8x, this one is 8x, which is equal to 40 minus 160. So here I'll write down x only. So x, which is equal to minus 120 divided by minus 8. This negative 8, I brought it here to the right hand side. So negative sign got cancelled. 8 ones are 8, 4 is remaining, 8 fives are 40, right? So here value of x comes as 15 finally. Let us see the other one. Look at this question. This is the textbook question. xy and mn are the tangents drawn at the end points of diameter DE of the circle with center O. Prove that xy is parallel to mn. Just look at the figure here. OD is the radius and this xy is a tangent. Therefore, this angle, you see, this angle is 90 degree. Reason is what? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Same thing is happening here. OE is the radius and this MN is the tangent. So this angle becomes 90 degree. Same reason. Look at this one. I'll name this angle as angle 1. I'll name this angle as angle 2. So angle 1 and 2 are equal because they are the alternate interior angles. And if they are equal, these two lines XY and MN are parallel. Only these things we need to write down. So here I will write down OD is perpendicular to XY and OE is perpendicular to MN. Reason is what? Tangent here, tangent is perpendicular to radius. Okay, this is the reason. So here angle 1, which is equal to angle 2, which is equal to 90 degree. Correct? And therefore, this xy is parallel to MN. Why? These are the alternate interior angles, or we can say converse of alternate interior angles. Therefore, these two tangents are parallel to each other. This is xy properly. Just see here. This is xy. Okay. Let us go towards the another question. In the given figure, a circle is inscribed in a quadrilateral ABCD. Given value of AB, BC, CD. We need to find out AD. Here. This is the optional question. Okay. Now, this A, B, C, D are the exterior points to the circle and tangents drawn from them will be equal in length. I'll just name this point as, this is point P, this is point Q, this is R and this is S here. Okay, it means that I can write down AP, which is equal to AS. Then I can write down BP, which is equal to BQ. Then I can write down CR, which is equal to CQ, and DR, which is equal to DS. See, from this I have drawn the tangents, from this also I have drawn the tangent, from this one and from this one. Correct? Tangents drawn from exterior point to the circle are equal in lengths. What is the reason? Here tangents drawn from exterior point are equal in length to the circle, these tangents to the circle. Now what I will do? I will just add all this. So as I add, just see here, AP plus BP, addition of this one, AP plus BP is nothing but AB. Then CR and DR is nothing but CD. AS, where is AS and DS? This one, first one and this one. You are getting AD plus this one is nothing but BC. I will just substitute the values. Value of AB they have given us as 6 centimeter. So AB is 6. CD is given as 4. AD we don't know. And BC is 7. See here? So this is 10. This 7 will come this side. So AD which is equal to, therefore AD which is equal to 3 centimeter. And we got our answer. Correct? Let us go towards the another sum. This is section B. Question number 7. An AP has 40 terms. See, AP has given and it has 40 terms. Find the last term. Find the sum of the last 10 terms. Let us see here. So from the AP, okay, first what we'll do? Last term, that means 40th term. We need to find out what? 40th term. And the sum of the last 10 terms. That means from 31st to 40. This last 10 terms, some of them we need to find out. Okay, let us write down first AP. So this AP is 5, 8, 11 and so on. First term is given as 5. And the common difference is second term minus the first term. 8 minus 5 which comes as 3. Right? So as they told us, find out the last term. That means A 40th term will find out. So A plus 39D. So value of A is 5. 39 and value of D is 3 here. Okay. So I'll write it down. 5 plus 39 3s are. So it comes as 117 which is equal to 122. I got the 40th term. Now what I will do, just try to understand here. I will explain you. If these are 40 terms from 1 to 40 and from here if I remove 1 to 30 terms, so I'll get the sum of the last 10 terms. Correct? So what I'm saying, sum of 40 terms minus sum of the 30 terms, first 30 terms, I will get the sum of the last 10 terms. Okay, I will go with this method. There are other methods also. Okay, so here I'll find out the 30th term also. So here I'll write down 30th term which is equal to A plus 29D. So A is 5 into 29, D is 3 here. So this is 5 plus 29 3s are 87. So which comes as 92. Correct. So now I'll find out some of the last 10 terms. Here I'll write down sum of last 10 terms which is equal to sum of first 40 terms minus sum of the first 30 terms. This formula. So here n by 2 in the bracket first term plus the 40th term minus n by 2 in the bracket first term plus the 30th term. Correct? Now, and here at this place 40 by 2. 40 because this is 40, right? So A is 5. First term is 5 plus sum of 40 terms is what? 122 minus 30 by 2. This is the first term. And the 30 terms, sum of 30 term is what? 90. Let me see, what is that? 92. Correct. So this one is 92. So 2 ones are, this is 20. Through ones are, this is 15 here. So here 20 in the bracket, 122 plus 5, which comes as 127. Minus 15 in the bracket, 92 plus 5, which comes as 97. See here now, 20 into 127. This 0 will be as it is. 7 2s are 14, 4, 1 carry, 2 to the 4 and 1 5, and this is 2. 2540 minus 15 into 97. It comes as 1455. Okay, so the subtraction of this one comes as 1085. If we do the subtraction, we get this answer, right? So in this way, we get the sum of the last 10 terms as 1085. Let us see question number 8. A tree is broken due to storm in such a way that the top of the tree touches the ground and makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The length of the broken part of the tree is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree before it was broken. So see here, just try to understand. Here, before the tree was like this. Okay. Now because of the storm, it is broken. Now this red color portion is this one. And now this top of the tree is touching the ground and making an angle of 30 degrees. Length of the broken part is 8 meters. We need to find out height of the tree before it was broken. So it means that if I consider this part is x and this 8 meters is nothing but what? This part only. This part only. Okay. So height of the tree will become as x plus 8 meters. So first what we need to find out? Value of x. Okay. So here you see, I'll write down here let AB, which is equal to x meter. Then I'll consider in triangle ABC, I will use sine 30 degree, which is equal to opposite side, that is x, by the hypotenuse, that is AC, which is 8 meter. We know the value of sine 30, which is what? 1 by 2, which is equal to x by 8. Therefore, x, which is equal to 8 by 2, which comes as 4 meter. Correct? Now, the total height of the tree. So here I write down height of tree, which is equal to x plus 8. So x is what? 4 and this is 8. We got here 12 meter. Correct. Let us see the another sum now. Here, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the two poles are respectively 60 degree and 30 degree. Find the distance of the point from the two poles. This question already I have explained in one video of applications of trigonometry. This is question number 10. Just you go and watch that video. Let us go towards the another sum. PA and PB are the tangents drawn to a circle with center O. If PA is 6 cm and angle APB is 60 degree, then find the length of chord AB. Just look at the figure here. Point P is the exterior point to the circle. So AP and BP are the tangents to the circle from the exterior point. So their lengths are equal. As these two lengths are equal, angles opposite to them will also be equal. Correct? So already one angle 60 degree is given. So these two angles are also equal. So this angle will come as 60 degree and this angle will also come as 60 degree. And finally, this triangle becomes what? Equilateral triangle. That means all the sides are equal in length. AP is 6. Obviously, AB will come as 6 centimeter. Let us write it down now. Here I'll write down AP, which is equal to BP. Reason is what? Tangents drawn from exterior point to the circle are equal. So here tangents drawn from exterior point are equal in lengths. Okay, you can complete this or you can keep it as it is. Now the other one, therefore, in triangle ABP, angle PAB, which is equal to angle PBA. Reason is what? Angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides are equal in measurement. Therefore, here this angle PAB, which is equal to angle PBA, which is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, triangle ABP is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. As it is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. Therefore, AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Got the answer now? Let us go towards the another sum. The sum of the squares of the three positive numbers that are consecutive multiples of 5 is 725. Find the three numbers. So the consecutive multiples, here I'll write down, or let us do it here. Consecutive multiples are x, then x plus 1, then x plus 2. But they are saying consecutive multiples of 5. So I need to multiply it by 5. This is here 5. Here also 5. So these are the consecutive multiples of 5. Now what they are saying? The sum of the squares of three positive numbers that are consecutive multiples of 5. So here I have to make the square of them. So according to the condition, here I can write down according to the condition. In short, I am writing here 5x the bracket square plus 5 in the bracket x plus 1 and then the bracket square here plus 5x plus 2 and then the bracket square, which is equal to 125, which is equal to 725 here. Now I'll make the square. 5x square means what? 25x square plus inside the bracket 5x. Let me multiply here. 5x plus 5, then the square, 5x plus 10, then the square, and this 725 as it is. Let us see it now. This is 25x square plus 5x means 25x square plus 2550x plus 25. What I did? I am using a plus b, the bracket square identity, plus. Now 5x square once again, 25x square plus 50, and this is 100x plus 10 square is 100, which is equal to 725. Now see here, 25 once, twice, 3 times. So it is 75x square. This is 150 plus 150x. 25 and 100 plus 125. This 725, I'll bring it here. So minus 725, which is equal to 0. 75x square plus 150x minus 600. See, subtraction of this one is 600, which is equal to 0. Now to the whole equation, if you if you divide by 75, the equation will become a little smaller and it is easier for us. Correct. So if I divide the whole equation by 75, see here, with 75, to 0 also, 75. 75 got cancelled, 75 ones are, 75 twos are, 75 ones are, and 75 what? 75, oh, we'll do it 75, 150. So 75, 150, 8s are here. Correct. So it is x square plus 2x minus 8, which is equal to 0. So we'll split the middle term, x square. 4 2s are 8. See here, the product is minus 8 and sum is plus 2. So 4 minus 2. So sum is coming plus 2 and the product is coming minus 8. 4 into minus 2 will be minus 8. Okay. So I have splitted the middle term. So x plus here x, right? From here I have taken x common. Minus 2 is common here. X plus 4, which is equal to 0. So x minus 2 in one bracket, x plus 4 in the another bracket. X minus 2 equal to 0. And here x plus 4, which is equal to 0. Now value of x is 2 and x is minus 4. So here minus 4, this one will be invalid. This value we will not take because it is negative. So they are asking us to find out those multiples of 5. So here the first number is here, first number, which is equal to 5x. That means 5 into 2, which comes as 10. Okay. Now the second number we'll write down. Second number, which is equal to 5x plus 5, which is equal to here 5 into 2 plus 5. So it comes as 15. And the third number, which is equal to 5x plus 10, which is equal to 5 into 2 plus 10, which is, what is that? 20. Yeah. So the third number is 20. Let's see section C. Question number 11. Construct two concentric circles of radius 3 cm and 7 cm. Draw two tangents to the smallest circle from a point P which lies on the bigger circle. I will show you first the idea of this construction and then we'll do the real construction. Okay. Now here we'll draw one circle and the another circle. Correct. Now we'll take point P on the outer circle here. O is the center of the circle, and then from point P we'll draw the tangents this way. Correct? Let's see the construction. With center O and radius 3 cm, we have drawn green color circle. With the same center and radius 7 cm, we have drawn another purple color circle. Take point P anywhere on the outer circle and join OP. Now we need to draw perpendicular bisector for OP. Take more than half the distance of OP and make the arcs above OP and below OP from point O. Same procedure we'll do from point P also to cut the previous arc without changing the radius. Just mark the intersection point of these arcs here and here. Join these points with the scale. Now the intersection point of this line and OP, we'll name it as point M. Now MP as a radius, draw the circle. We got red color circle here. Wherever green circle and red color circle intersect, name those intersection points as point A and point B. Join PA with a circle, which is the tangent, and point P and B with a scale, that is also a tangent. In this way, we get two tangents to the inner circle, which is green color, from point P, which is there on the outer circle. Correct? And we complete our construction here. The optional question is given for this construction question. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 6 cm, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Also find the length of the tangents. Okay, so first we'll draw a circle of radius 6 cm, and then what they're saying, the tangents are inclined to each other at an angle 60 degree. That means suppose this one is one tangent, this one is one tangent, and angle between them is 60 degree. Correct? So you only see, suppose this is the center here, this one and this one. This angle will become 90 degree and this angle will also become 90 degree. Look at this here. So by angle sum property of quadrilateral, this angle will obviously come as 120 degree. So we'll name this point as point O, this is A, this is B, and this is P. Correct? What I said? How did you get this angle O? By angle sum property of quadrilateral, because this is 90, 90 and 60. If you subtract these three angles from 360. So 360 minus, this is 90 plus 90 plus 60. So what you get? You are getting here 120 degree. So we'll see the construction of this question. Let us see the construction. Now we'll take point O as the center and radius 6 cm, and then we have drawn here a circle. Take point A anywhere on the circle and join OA with the scale. Now at the center we need to draw 120 degree angle. For that, take the convenient radius and make an arc. See that point? Point X. Without changing the radius, cut the previous arc and name that point as point Y. From point Y, without changing the radius, cut the previous arc and name that point as point Z. Join OZ with the scale and extend it. And this line and the circle, the intersection point of them is point B. Extend OA, because we want to construct 90 degree angle at point A. Taking convenient radius, we made the black color arc. See, from this point, without changing the radius, we will cut the previous arc. Now from red color arc, from that point, without changing the radius, we'll cut the previous arc. Now we'll take more than half the distance between these two red color arcs and draw one arc here. From another red color arc, cut the previous arc and make the intersection point of both the arcs. And join that point and A, that means we are drawing the tangent to the circle. Same procedure we are following at point B also. We have made one arc. See, from this point, we will make another arc to cut the previous arc without changing the radius. From this red color arc, one more red color arc we will make without changing the radius. Now observe properly. From one red color arc, we have made another red color arc. Now see, from this one, we cut the previous arc and we made the intersection point of both the arcs. And then we have made another tangent from point B. Let us measure angle B, which comes as 90 degree. Angle A, which is also 90 degree. And angle O, central angle is 120 degree. So all these angles are correct. And the intersection point of tangents is point P. Let us see angle P, which comes as 60 degree. The length of the tangent PA is 10.4 centimeter and PB is also 10.4 centimeter. Correct? In this way, we have done the construction. Question number 12. The following age-wise chart of 300 passengers flying from Delhi to Pune is prepared by the airline's staff. In the first row, they have given us the information about the age, and in the second row, number of passengers. Find the mean age of the passengers. Observe the table properly. They said less than 10. There are 14 passengers whose age is less than 10. Now there are 44 passengers whose age is less than 20. There are 82 passengers whose age is less than 30. The meaning is what? These class intervals, first we need to write down the class intervals here in the proper order. Second thing, the second row is about CF, cumulative frequency. They have given us the cumulative frequency. So from here, once we'll make the class intervals, then we need to write down the frequency. Okay, now if I'm taking this one, first class interval as 0 to 10. So 0 to 10. So there are 14 passengers. And from 10 to 20. So what I will do? 44 minus 14. It means that I will get 30 passengers here. So there are 30 passengers whose age is from 10 to 20. Correct? That means you have to understand whenever they will give you less than here, it means that in the second row, they have given us the cumulative frequency. And from there, first we need to find out the frequency. Okay, so let us see the table here. The age, I have written the class intervals in the proper order. Frequency column, I have left as it is. Number of passengers, that means they have given us this one as CF. And as they asked us the mean, we'll find out the mean by using the assumed mean method. So let us first find out the frequency. So this 14 will be as it is. First one. Now for the second, this one, class interval, 44 minus 14, it will come as 30. Here. Now for the next one, 82 minus 44, it comes as 38 here. 134 minus 82, so it will become 52. 184 minus 134, it is 50. Then 245 minus 184, it comes as 61. 287 minus 245, it comes as 42. And 300 minus 287 comes as 13. So we got the frequency now. Let us find out the class marks. Class marks, it means that the average of the class, right? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 10. So 10 by 2 is 5. So this is 5. Similarly, for the following class intervals, it is 15, then 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. We got the class marks. Now I need to choose one of the value from this exercise as the assumed mean. So let us consider this one as A, assumed mean. That means A, which is equal to 45. So DI, I will find out the deviation, xi minus A. Xi is what? This 5. 5 minus 45. If I do, I get the answer as minus 40. Then 15 minus 45. I get the answer as minus 30. Then minus 20, minus 10, then 0, here 10, 20, 30. Correct? Now I need to do the multiplication of Fi and Di. So here 14 into this minus 40. It comes as minus 560. 14 4s are 56, no? So it is 560. The next one 30 into minus 30. So it is 900 minus, then 38 into minus 20. It comes as 76 and 0 here. Next one is minus 520. Next one is 0. Then 6, 1, 0. 42 2s are 84 and this 0. And 13 3s are 39 and this 0. Right? We need to do the addition of all these numbers. First we'll do the addition of this one, which comes as minus 2740, and addition of this one comes as 1840. When we'll add these two numbers, we are getting the answer as minus 900, right? And sum of all the frequencies, which is equal to 300. See here, now we got the sigma Fi, Di and even sigma Fi. We'll use the formula for the mean. So mean x bar, which is equal to A plus sigma Fi xi divided by sigma Fi, right? Now here, this one is sigma Fi. It's supposed to be Di here. This is Di, okay? So here A 45 plus sigma Fi Di is minus 900 divided by 300. Cancel these zeros. And here 3 1s are, 3 3s are. So here 45 minus 3. So our answer comes as 42. So mean of the data is 42. This is case study based question. Question number 13. A lighthouse is a tall tower with light near the top. These are often built on islands, coasts, or on cliffs. Lighthouses on water surface acts as navigational aid to the mariners and send warnings to boats and ships for the dangers. Initially, wood, coal would be used as illuminators. Gradually, it was replaced by candles, lanterns, electric lights. Nowadays, they are run by machines and remote monitoring. Bronx Reef Lighthouse of Mumbai was constructed in 1874 to 75. It is approximately 40 meters high and its beam can be seen at a distance of 30 kilometers. A ship and a boat are coming towards the lighthouse from opposite directions. Angle of depression of flashlight from the lighthouse to the boat and the ship are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Just look at the picture here. Here, height of the lighthouse is given as 40 meter. This one, this height, and ship and boat, they are coming towards the lighthouse. And the angle of depression is given as 30 degree and 60 degree, right? They have asked us the question, which of the two, boat or the ship, is nearer to the lighthouse? Find its distance from the lighthouse. I have drawn here the stick figure. AB is the height of the lighthouse, so I'll write it down here, 40 meter. Now what they have asked, boat or ship, who is near to the lighthouse? So definitely the ship is nearer to the lighthouse because the angle of depression is bigger. Okay, so what for the first question, what is the answer? Ship is nearer to the lighthouse because, here you can write down, because angle of depression is bigger. This is the answer of first question. And the second part, what they are asking, find its distance from the lighthouse. That means we need to find out this distance because here the ship is there. We need to find out this distance. Okay, so we'll consider in triangle ABC. Here in triangle ABC, what I will take here? Tan 60. Okay, so here tan 60 degree, which is equal to opposite side, that is 40 meter, divided by BC, adjacent side. This one is root 3. So 40 by BC. So here I'll write BC, which is equal to 40 by root 3. We'll rationalize the denominator, root 3 by root 3 here. So which comes as 40 root 3 by 3, because root 3 and root 3 will become 3 meter. So this is the distance of the ship from the lighthouse. Okay, let us see the second question now, what they have asked. The second question, they said, find the time taken by the boat to reach the lighthouse if it is moving at the rate of 20 km per hour. That means speed of the boat is given 20 km per hour. And we need to find out this distance also, dB distance. So distance of the boat from the lighthouse. Now we'll have the distance, we have the speed, we'll find out the time required to reach the boat to the lighthouse. Okay, so here I'll write down first. We will take triangle ABD and then tan 30. Okay, so here in triangle ABD, this is for the second question. In triangle ABD, I will take tan 30 degree, which is equal to opposite side is 40 divided by BD. Here BD. Now tan 30 we know 1 upon root 3, which is equal to 40 by BD. So here therefore BD, which is equal to 40 root 3 meter. We got the distance of the boat from the lighthouse. Now they have given us the speed. Okay, so speed, which is equal to 20 kilometer per hour. Now this 20 kilometer, this kilometer I'll convert into meter. So 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, and this hour I'll convert into minutes. So here 60 minutes, right? So we got the speed here. Now the time taken, so formula of time is what? Time, which is equal to distance divided by the speed, right? So distance is 40 root 3 meter. So here 40 root 3 and speed is 20 into 1000 divided by 60. If I will divide by 60 here, this 60 will go at the numerator, correct? After doing the reciprocal of it. So instead of writing 60 here, directly I will write down here this one as 60. We'll do the calculation now. 20 ones are 20, 3s are 1 0 and 1 0 got cancelled here. 4 3s are 12 root 3 by 100. So we'll do the calculation here. 12 into root 3, that means 1.73. You can keep your answer as it is, these many minutes also, but we'll do the calculation little further. Divide by 100. So 12 into 1.73. So we need to do that calculation here. So which is equal to, I will show you here, 173 into 12, decimal place later on will give 12 ones are 12 threes are 36, 12 sevens are 84 and 3, this is 87, so 8 is carry, 12 ones are and 8, this is 20. So 27, this 6, but 2 decimal places, so here decimal place will come, divide by 100. So here our answer comes as 0.2076 minutes. And if you want to convert this one in second, what you will do? You will multiply it by 60. Correct? So let us see. That also we'll see. This answer is also applicable. Okay. This is considerable. But if you want to convert into this second, multiply it by 60. So it will become second. So after multiplying this one by 60, our answer comes as 12.456 seconds. That means with the speed 20 km per hour, the boat will reach to the lighthouse within 12.456 seconds. Right? This is case study based question. Question number 14. This is second case study based question. Question number 14. Krishnanagar is a small town in Nadia district of West Bengal. Krishnanagar clay dolls are unique in their realism and quality of their finish. They are created by modeling coils of clay over a metal frame. The figures are painted in natural colors and their hair is made either by sheep's wool or jute. Artisans make models starting from fruit, animals, god, goddesses, farmer, fisherman, weavers to Donald Duck and present comic characters. These creations are displayed in different national and international museums. Here are a few images, not to the scale, of some clay dolls of Krishnanagar. Just look at the first doll, second doll, third doll and fourth doll. The ratio of diameters of red spherical apples in doll 1. Look at this one. In doll 1, the spherical apples are there. To that of spherical oranges in doll 2. Spherical oranges are there in doll 2. Is 2:3. So ratio of the diameters is given as 2:3. In doll 3, male doll of blue color has cylindrical body. Look at this one. This is the male doll who is having the cylindrical body. Now, what is that? Male doll of blue color has cylindrical body and a spherical head. The spherical head touches the cylindrical body. The radius of both the spherical head and the cylindrical body is 3 cm. So radius of this one, cylindrical body and the spherical head is 3 cm. And the height of the cylindrical body is 8 cm. Okay, so this height is given as 8 cm. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Look at the first question here. What is the ratio of the surface areas of red spherical apple in doll 1 to that of spherical oranges in doll 2? So we need to find out the ratio of their surface areas. Okay, so let us see now. Here, let us consider first. Let R1 is radius of apple and R2 is radius of an orange, orange. So here I'll write down, they have given us ratio of the diameters. D1 is to D2, that means 2 times the radii. Here also 2 times the radii, but the radii are different. I can just cancel this 2 and 2. So ratio of the diameters, what they have given us? 3:2. So ratio of radii also came 3 is to 2. Is that 3 is to 2? No, it is not 3 is to 2. It is 2 is to 3. This one. Okay. Now they have asked you surface area. So surface area of the apple, I'll call it as S1. And for the orange, I'll call it as S2. So the formula is what? 4 pi R1 square by 4 pi R2 square. This one 4 pi and 4 pi got cancelled, which comes as R1 by R2. That means 2 by 3, the bracket square, which comes as 4 by 9. So the ratio of their surface areas is 4 is to 9. Right? Now come to the second question. What they said, from the blue colored doll, they have made the drum which is there in the fourth doll. That means volume of the drum which is equal to volume of the blue colored doll. So volume of the blue colored doll means what comes into that? Cylinder and the spherical portion. Just have a look here. Look at this one. Correct? Volume of this drum which is equal to volume of this cylindrical portion plus this spherical portion. Correct? So here I'll write it down. I will write volume of drum which is equal to volume of blue color doll. In that one cylindrical portion comes plus volume of sphere. Spherical portion comes. Right? So here volume of the drum I will write down. That is also cylindrical. So here pi, I will use capital R square, capital H for the drum. And for the cylindrical portion, pi R square H plus 4 by 3 pi R cube. Because the radius of this cylindrical portion and spherical portion is C. Okay. Now from everywhere I can cancel pi. See this pi and this pi. Now what is left here? R square H. But the radius of the drum is given as 3. So it is 3 square. This H as it is. Even the radius of the cylindrical portion of the doll 3 is given as 3. So it is 3 square and height is given as 8 plus 4 by 3. Radius of the spherical portion is 3. So it is 3 cube. So here 9H which is equal to 9 into 8 plus 4 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 3. So this 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So this is 9H as it is. This one is 72 plus 9 into 4, 36. So 36 here, which comes as 108 divided by 9. So this H, I brought this 9 here at the denominator. Okay. So now 9 ones are 9 1 is there 2. So height of the drum comes as 12 centimeter. Correct? So in this way we get the height of the drum here and we complete our basic question paper. I hope all of you understood all the sums. Thank you.